Sorry, guys. My screen just went out. Okay.
Sky, feel this.
What?
Feel this.
Why do I want to feel? Ooh, so it's, so soft and squishy. Do 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 do. Okay, guys, welcome back. Sorry, my phone cut off.
Yeah, she's lasted 3
So
4 years old. Is this her firework?
Yeah, 4.
okay, you guys ready? This one is going to be amazing. This is the last one. It's going to be connected to our tree.
And it's called Saxon Wheel.
Saxon wheel.
But this one's like really different from all the others. Bang!
This might take a little
big
minute.
ginormous spider there.
Where? Where?
Oh, don't kill it. It has a life. Oh, shit.
It's not dead.
Dead. It's not dead. My dad's just hammering it to the wall, and I'm really sorry if you guys cannot see in the dark.
It's fun.
Really dark. Quality.
Sky, you ready to see this?
Alright.
Charlie, Charlie,
I don't know where it is. Is that it?
Papa,
Yeah, it's on the tree.
you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you guys run.
Ah!
Oh, flip.
Ah! Why did it spin there?
Whoops.
Oh, whack.
Well, it still look really cool.
You got scared then. There's no more now.
Is that the last one, Dad, or are you going to do sparklers?
Yes, Papa.